In this video, we will learn how to use formula text function in Excel sheet. So let's start this in Excel sheet. I have here some data. Have a use here the sum function. So in formula function, use for find out the what the formula used in this data. So if I use here the formula function text is equal to formula text function, then I select the reference this way and just bracket close. See, you show here the formula text. Okay, so you by using the formula text function, you know the what formula use in this data. So I use again same text, sorry, formula text, then I select this one, bracket close and just enter. Here use the sum function for B8 to D8. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.